One person who don't die for accident wey happen for place wey dem call am Saint Dicky Meki na for inside Cameroon here. Country people dem wey the accident say pass one person die and other people dem dey on top hospital bed as so the talk. So for tori this afternoon we go take una talk inside waka wey minister wey the local defence for country Oga Joseph Beti Asomo and even a big man for national security they make am inside Bamenda. Sabi say according to wetin wey Joseph Beti Asomo e talk am, e say true Operation Bamenda clean e don help for say make place e quiet. We go talk that chapter this afternoon. Na so too we go take una this afternoon for Gadwa. For Gadwa side overnight tori wey enter we ear talk say Okada people dem they be dey face to face with uniform people dem after we uniform man e come catch one Okada man wey e make accident for Sika Dewowo road inside Gadwa, then e be one seize e book. We go talk this chapter and other tori dem. Sabi say na this weekend wey e dey so dey launch campaign for the different party dem wey dey go turn up for inside regional vote wey e dey come for number 6 day for December. For side for Boya na former Prime Minister Peter Mafene Mosonga be dey for head. Na so too for Bamenda side na so another former Prime Minister Yunji Philemon Yang na dem na SSF e be dey for before. We go talk as so the thing happen inside Bamenda and place where they call am say Boya. Newspaper dem we go talk to as so them talk. Big part talk for this afternoon e dey tell we say if man e head e empty na so to your skin e go suffer. Say if head e dey empty na so to the skin e go suffer. Big part talk e comot na for Edube Faith. He say the shidon for salute for outside the country people dem. Number 2 time we meet up for inside Tori House this Monday afternoon for Cameroon side. As I be say for different sides una go surely dey send na for evening time una dey look way. Make we take una one time enter for wetin we get am for we before we go start with this die body wey dey meet up am in between Mombo and side wey dey call am Saint Jombe this early morning time as so you see am. We no fit for sure na the die body but sabi say as so dey meet up the man wey e don already rot in. The people dem say for that village for Mombo they just dig hole for corner side wey dey meet up the die body na so too dey throw am. They never fit for identify the person and they no even fit for sabi wetin e kill am as so tori enter for we ear. Site wey dey call am say Gadwa as so we talk for we tongue number dem e be dey na serious fight between Okada people dem and uniform people dem. Sunday night breaking this morning time Okada people dey vex after wey dey hear say uniform man e can catch one of their combi wey e make accident. Okada people dey pick stone dey start for throw am on top uniform people dem for night and sabi for way for make the Okada people dey say for fear the uniform people dey start for shoot gun for up but that one e no stop as so na the CD we own Okada brother dem wey dey be the pick stone shoot am on top uniform people dem. Police people dem for that side so for inside Gadwa Sunday night and as so dem dey talk for we they say e dey so one of their combi Okada man wey e be one wrong control e go enter for hole e make accident so tey e broke e foot but even as so e broke e foot they say the uniform people dem no even give them sorry heart. They so catch this Okada man na for say kawaida wey this other Okada people dem dey be dey outside for night on Sunday night breaking this morning dem say they comot with a stone they dey shoot uniform people dem as wey dey happen. We hear say last na people dem gendarme officer dem for that side and even the big man for police e come stop that disorder. Make we just hear wetin wey be the pass for night inside Gadwa Okada people versus police people dem. And just for Sabia so talk, na big police commissioner for Garua wey be last comot overnight. No person no be get caught for the 2 pass. The gun wey be the shoot am for up na for frighten the Okada people them inside another place. We talk this accident wey e happen for place wey they call am say Ndikinimeki na for inside that we own country here. Where that accident e pass, we get photo them for the accident wey happen. And Sabi Sef say this accident, we hear say one person he die and other people they dey on top hospital bed. Accident pass yesterday from Ndikinimeki inside we country. They say na overspeed. The motor be the wrong with plenty speed. Then tire for the motor e box. Now for the way the motor tombusai, one person die for place where the accident pass. Then other one them they dey on top hospital bed as we dey talk for this site. And place where they call am say Kuseri, with the hear say rain again, it don't fall, and water it don't over plenty inside River Logon. The water don't come on now, it don't meet up plenty people them. With the hear say more than 1,000 people them just now, they no get house for sika this plenty rain and water where it come up for River Logon for that side. So for Kuseri, with the hear say quarter the way they over get suffer for day. We get quarter them like Madagascar, Kuwan, we get Maimina, we get Maruare, and even Babu and Kawaji. Quarter them where with the year say just now, where no day more than 500 and more than 150,000 they don't broke them for inside the chapter. And just so sabi for sika the plenty rain and water will be come up for outside. Army rescue people them too for Marwa. Them say they be day outside inside this weekend. For see as way they go fit for help this population for the different quarter the way water rain. Water will come out for River Logon. He meet up them for the different places. So I talk Madagascar, Maruare, Babu, Kawaji, and even place where they call them Madana. Some of the quarter there will plenty people them their house. It don't chakara for sika plenty rain for that side. Inside Kuseri, Sabi say all the quarter them, they dinner for inside Kuseri for side for Marwa. As we Tori enter for we ear. And for problem where the pass for Southwest and Northwest, Sabi say Minister for Defense, Oga Joseph Beti Asomo, and even Delegate General for National Security, where they call it Oga Matembanga Gele, all them. They be there for inside Northwest this weekend where it just passed, and Sabi say they so they be go see some of the uniform people them where it they so they don't get caught, and the court it come out for secret safe place in the Kene for inside place where they call them Bamenda, and Sabi say be an opportunity where Oga Joseph Beti Asomo he talk for them Asia, and he talk to say they so population for Bamenda. Them too they glad plenty for this operation Clean Bamenda, where according to way Joseph Beti Asomo he talk he say na that one say he don't make am just now place he don't quiet, but he talk for the uniform people then say may they continue for the shine their eye, may they continue for the lookout, so that even picking them where they never fit for go school they will feel waka go school, and for say make thing they no happen inside Bamenda. Now for the Minister for Defense Joseph Beti Asomo they talk to say investigate it don't go for before concerning that picking the way they shoot them for inside Kumbam for Mother Francisca International Bilingual Academy. And Sabi said inside the same chapter we get plenty of these village people the way they don't run, they know the fee for turn back, and one of them now this Mekoro people them, and they begin their ndongamen for Limbe side where they talk say for sika this problem they never fit for go for village again. Make we hear the headman from Mekoro community inside Limbe. He talk for microphone for Davidson Maimo.
I don't tell you lie. For the past 2 years, I never go village. So I don't know how they have. I didn't hear news. Like for this meeting, they began to come about 3-4 people, but then one man come. Each time had gone in and man begin. Each time had come. You can't tell me say there's no village here. So there's a lot of handicap for village because of the crisis. Woman they go farm their bean chop to go sell them for who? They not be cross the other village. But first time you carry a table for me to now go, you better now one kind of a man just cut it for road, say I be amber. You don't know whether I will not be naive. They don't break down so many things. Yeah, I feel home plenty because money to come on for course. Because Papa and Mommy, they don't do nothing. They expect from us. And if we don't give them, they do not forget. And if we not go for development, go develop village, not fit one. All this while, no brand they come up with development contribution. Plenty people don't get something doing because jobs is not there. A message for the Mukuru people. They talk say 1 hand of the tie bundle. Now when they join hands, that be development.
And just for sabi say place where they call am say Boya for that side. Now for this with the Synod committee. Them say they be meet up inside Boya this weekend, and one of the Tron talk will come out for Right Reverend Funky Samuel, when a moderator for that side of Presbyterian Church. Now for say me the Synod committee too a shiny eye for Sika say the no sabi who be who just now. Sabi say place is also kene and this Synod committee will meet up for inside that Boya this Sunday. Now just the opportunity where they so they talk for them say me they so continue for the go for before as we they work them work as we all man he become for camp prayer for say make peace he last turn back inside southwest and even northwest. Right Reverend Funky Samuel he be talk for we after he finish that Synod committee a big prayer for church.
5 years as moderator and Synod clerk, for see how we fit continue for be alert within these trying times inside our own country. The situation will be very crucial, and we live in times even inside the church where you don't know who be your enemy and who be the enemy of the church. And so this Synod will be a Synod where we will take very serious decisions where we will continue to keep the church alert in these trying times. And we hope say the delegates to this Synod committee they will use this theme not only during this Synod but throughout the life of our church, for see how we open our eyes, for see how we continue to take decisions as a church where it will continue to keep the church alert.
And just for sabi say Right Reverend Funky Samuel we did talk happy birthday for you today. Now another year for that side for you, so happy birthday for you, Right Reverend Funky Samuel, moderator for Presbyterian Church. We go come out, we remain for inside Boya for talking at this weekend for Bongo Square. Now for this help we they so all the big people them for CPDM they be meet up on Saturday. It be then a chapter for the launch campaign for waiting regional vote where they come for number 6 day for December moon. When I sabi say Boya and Southwest all them they be now one of the people then too they hear about even as we for now if we talk say place it is some kind of we call some kind of way, but it be there to now opportunity too for say make people then continue for the go for before as we Peter Mafene Mosonge where be the headman for this CPDM people then for inside Boya. He don't talk say they preaching now for say make a peace he come and for say make this vote where they come all people there they get for come out for vote as with the launch campaign for the CPDM for this regional vote where it come number 6 day for December. Now so another former prime minister too for that side, so for Bamenda Yunji Philemon Yang now SSF it be day too for before the launching for campaign for inside Bamenda. It been a time for say it dey so make it talk for all man as well they go for the different division them for go talk say wetin say it dey so make they forget the thing the way they don't do make all man it look one direction and direction way dey so now for say make peace it last come back for inside northwest region. Sabi say the regional vote it go to come for number 6 day for December 2020. Just now we go enter for inside wait day concerning corona, and the latest number they will get for John Hopkins University this number 23 day for November it tell we say na 58,649,890 people them total corona sick people them inside the whole world. 37,486,905 people there they already well for the whole world, and 1,388,075 people there they already die as well. John Hopkins University give we update this afternoon corona situation for inside the whole world. Make we take una enter for different country for Buhari his own country. This afternoon, they tell we, say for Sunday, they be get now 155 new cases for corona sick people them, and total just now 66,383 where they don't get them sick, they sick for corona since we come, and 62,072 6 people them where they don't already well come out, and 1,167 people them where they don't die for sicker corona inside Buhari a country. South Africa, as we already enter we here for Sunday, we get 2,270 total number for people that way they so they get corona on Sunday. Doctor they already test 5,290,966 people them inside that number. We see 767,679 people them they don't already get the sick. 710,099 people them where they don't already well, and 20,903 people them they don't die for South Africa for sicker they sick with the column. Corona we sabi say for we own country they up they know they come all time. So anytime when minister give am, una will surely get am as we minister they give am. Now sabi say international bicycle race when our first lady for we country it happen am, it don't end this weekend. It says be come up for the one way be pass for me Salam, and sabi say last it be pass end now for inside place with the column 20 May Boulevard Anamugisha when Rwanda countryman. A win this year bicycle race international own when we own first lady it ever happen. Tori don't finish but make we read newspaper to just now. They did them plenty with the come out this Monday inside Horizon. Queen Elisa country, it don't wash your hand come out for people the way they want divide country according to way Horizon the talk for we Horizon to the territory where it concern this lawyer people there they don't announce say 5 days they no go for work for sick as say they follow lawyer people them for back plenty story the day inside the Horizon. You feel read them the median this morning in the talk as we Bamenda people then say they don't glad for Operation Clean where I mean then say they happen but they don't talk they also get for continue for shine their eyes. Sabi say Operation Norway special one too it go happen small time as we end of year it come. You go read to a concerned lawyer people them inside the median newspaper. We go enter just now for the Voice inside the Voice newspaper that they talk for we as we former Prime Minister says he don't talk say wetin he don't talk good concerning governor as we he launch campaign for CPDM inside Bamenda for regional votes. Inside the same chapter you go read Tori as we the talk bye or the talk for Professor Eno Tanjong where he don't been a big journalist person, he don't train plenty Tori people them and they thank you for big work where he don't do them. You go read that chapter inside the Voice where it dey outside. Today the Post it tell with this morning afternoon say lawyer people them they go start all country from number 30 day for this month they go stop for work. You go read as we even the biggest man where you don't make all Tory people them for country just now so to they talk for it thank you as we it take pension as we hang boots we they talk Professor Eno Tanjong we all man a glad for the better work way it don't do as we it train Tory people them. Guardian Post it tell we as we a minister way one try for come out the thing where they be talk say make they give for Anglophone people them for give for Francophone the Tory it don't come out for outside thing that the hot now for his skin as we be one make patcha. If you read that chapter for inside the Guardian Post 2 it talk for we today other thing the way they pass. The Sun it tell we as we lawyer them they could go on strike they could stop for work November 30 so for December number 4 day as we the vex for the kind of way they trade lawyer them. Barrister Aso Epe now be the new big man for Fako Lawyers Association. You go read that chapter inside the Sun newspaper where they outside. Advocates in the talk as we back council people then say they don't talk. Now the whole country no person in no go work. You go read that chapter and so concerning lawyer people them. Barrister Epe he be the new president for Fakla, as so you fit for read inside the Advocate newspaper. You go read order to read them for the the newspaper today outside. It try for talk for we as we UDP SSF. It don't talk on top tiwe the pass for country. It put on top head for Gra Atango office. You feel read that chapter for day and even chapter for regional votes where it come. News Watch it talk for we as we in Kunkuma. It don't congratulate our governor, our Fonka Augustine for West Region for the better work, better Musanga with the game for you. Fayengo Francis says we don't talk over 800 people them with the be whole gone. They don't level since when they open DDR Center. If you read that chapter inside News Watch where it dey outside. The reporter the time for talk for we as we it dey so Cameroon people then say that they provoke over on top the interview Emmanuel Macron. He make wait till we talk with Cameroon people they vex concerning Cameroon. If you read them inside the reporter this morning and if you read other story too concerning the new big man for inside Fakla. Watchdog a Tribune it take we back for Terry Bilingualism and Multiculturalism Commission for Peter Mafane Musonge where them say they don't enter inside big work after we did they so they turn for all corner for say make the two country talk there for country all man irrespective. You go read story too concerning regional votes for December. They ask if na the main road that for the special status where they be promised we. You feel read that one for inside Watchdog Tribune. Chronicle Times it try for talk as we Cameroon people they don't talk say no for the talk where Oga Emmanuel Macron talk as we according to them they say it been an undemocratic talk where he talk concerning Cameroon. Now so to they go talk make no mistake inside Northwest and Southwest. Now for waiting regional votes where it comes small time. Herald Tribune it try for Terry as we they launch campaign for inside Bamenda City Mayor he don't talk for his own confidence say they know the check may they come out that kind of SDF sense for their hate. You go read story to a concern PM where don't give order for waiting for airport and say for continue for open concerning this corona make all man he keep all thing as way they don't pass for order make no person in no disrespect. You go read other story where it consign the commission for common gun for people their hand for inside the Herald Tribune. Now the newspaper them that where they be there with this morning or this afternoon make we see case for person way he don't lost. Yes, now the case that we just enter inside we hand and you go see the person name with the name na Ngwent Nang Alexandria. So see they talk say lost on number 17 day for November moon. This November moon the inside around 11 o'clock. Yes, 10 o'clock for night. Now where they discover say he don't disappear. So this mommy on the see they say he she done now for that side. So for back Sebek hospital for Bonaberry they say come up for house and no person in no sabi side way he don't be as so na see and this girl as so na see then 14 years where they say for him and he talk Emmanuel Macron country talk and Queen Elisa own country talk and Pikin for second say for inside college for Bonaberry. So any person where don't see this photo and if you mark the Pikin just now Oga Tenang Francois Idibek say make you try for call the number where you see for before tele 6567914 508-313 or they say if you take it for police station for that side so for Bonaberry any police station for there if no be so you bring it for Equinox Tory House they say plenty dash anyway too. Now so we see country today, country people them. I want to say big thank you for Amos Fongo, Malis and Zephyrin Gonji. We all them they be there for backside for CC make Tori. Iwaka fine. If Papa God agree, we go meet up when in at 8 o'clock for morning time on a whole tight.